Hi everyone, today we'll be going over Koch's postulates. Back before we realized that microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses, caused diseases, people believed that supernatural or evil forces and even poisonous vapors made people sick. Seems absurd, right? But when you think about it, they could not see these microorganisms because they are too small to be seen with the naked eye. So, oftentimes, people used religion and other beliefs to explain things they didn't understand. Eventually, Koch disproved these beliefs with his discovery that a specific microbe causes a specific disease. More specifically, he discovered that Bacillus anthracis caused anthrax.
So how did he figure this out? He used a sequence of experimental steps for relating a specific microbe to a disease. These came to be known as Koch's postulates. Koch's postulates include 4 steps. The first postulate states that the suspected pathogen must be present in all cases of the disease and absent from healthy mice. Experimentally, a researcher would take a diseased mouse, extract a sample of blood or tissue, and using microscopy would be able to visualize the suspected pathogen in all diseased mice blood or tissue samples. Additionally, using microscopy, all healthy mice would not show the suspected pathogen in the blood or tissue sample or when trying to culture the suspected pathogen. Koch's second postulate states that the suspected pathogen must be grown in a pure culture, meaning it must be isolated.
The third postulate states that cells from a pure culture of the suspected pathogen must cause disease in a healthy animal that is inoculated with the suspected pathogen.
Koch's last and fourth postulate states that the suspected pathogen must be re-isolated and shown to be the same as the original.
Koch's postulates do not allow for the identification of viral diseases. Even some bacteria can be difficult to culture. Some pathogens are host-specific, such as FIV in cats. Organisms with genetic immunity can act as carriers and therefore be asymptomatic. And not all organisms will react to the same pathogen in a similar way. It's also difficult to test these postulates on humans due to ethical concerns. More recent molecular rules have been added to the postulates. A virulence factor must be found in the pathogen, and subsequent inactivation of that factor must decrease the pathogen's effect. A reactivation should then restore the virulence. The gene coding for that virulence factor must be expressed during the infection. Immunity to the pathogen must provide protection from the symptoms. We hope this helped you understand Koch's postulates. Thank you for watching.